He grew up quiet on a small back street, hand-me-downs, worn shoes on his tired feet. Life hit early, but he kept that fire. Didn't have much, just a dream climbing higher. Watching others laugh while he stayed inside, learning how to stand when the world denied. But every broken day shaped the man he became, and he swore one day they would all know his name. And the nights got long, but he held on tight, telling himself one day I'll make this right. 'Cause life don't slow down, gotta rise through the pain. Every fall, every tear brings you closer to the game. He walked through storms just to stand in the sun, and he learned the hard way. You only need one shot, one heart, one love to pull you through, one moment in the dark to find what's true. He kept his hope when the world felt cruel, and he built a life no school could ever teach you. Then he met a girl in a late night cafe, eyes soft brown, smile brighter than day. She said, you look tired, sit with me a while. And healing started slowly in that little smile. Days turn to dreams, dreams into plans. Two shaky voices, four steady hands. They worked through the struggle, counting coins on the floor. But love made the small feel like so much more. And they held on tight when the world went wrong. Two beating hearts learning to be strong. 'Cause life don't slow down, gotta rise through the pain. Every fall, every tear brings you closer to the gate. They walk through storms just to stand in the sun, building something real that can't be undone. One home, two kids, four hands to guide. Love turned the struggle into something with pride. Through sleepless nights and bills overdue, they learned that family is what pulls you through. And he said, I came from nothing, but now I see everything I wanted is right here with me. 'Cause life don't slow down, but love holds tight, turning darkest days into something bright. They walked through storms and finally found the view, and together they